Hi, for this video we are going to review the bass staff. So the bass staff and the treble staff are set up very similarly, but their clefs are quite different. So the bass clef looks like a half a heart. So that's how you can tell the difference between the two. So we are going to use our hand staff again, and like I said, they're very similar, but we have different sayings for the bass staff than we do for the treble staff. For this one, we have good boys do fine always for our lines, and for the spaces, we have all cows eat grass. Okay? So one more time, that's good boys do fine always for our lines, and spaces are all cows eat grass. Pretty simple. So now it's time for another quiz. When you see this pause button on the screen, be sure to pause the video until you are ready for the answer. When you think you've got it, then you can press play again. So our first example is right here. All right, so we see that this one is on the second line. So let's count with our staff. We have good boys. Ends on a B, or on the boys, so it is a B. Okay? Here's example 2. All right, this one is on the fourth line. So put our hand staff up. Good boys do fine. It's going to be an F. Here's our next example. All right, this one's all the way at the top and still on a line. So put our hand staff up. Good boys do fine always. So it's going to be an A. Okay? So let's do some of our spaces now. Here's our next example. All right, this one is on the second space. So we're using all cows eat grass. All cows. It's going to be a C. Here's our next example. All right, this one's on the last space. So all cows eat grass. G. It's a G. Here's our next example. All right, this one is on the third space. So hand staff again. All cows eat. It's going to be an E. All right, just a few more examples left, okay? This one's going to be a mixture. This first one is here. All right, this one's on the very first line. So we're going to use the good boys do fine always. Put up our hand staff. It's a G for good. It's pretty easy. Here's our next one. All right, this one's on the first space. So we're using all cows eat grass. Starting with an A for all. This one is an A. And here's our last example. All right, this one's on the third line. So we're doing the good boys do fine always. Good boys do. So it's going to be a D. All right, now you've figured out all of the lines on the bass staff. So keep studying up and good luck with your section.